Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, it's getting ready to rain, so it's a perfect night to do a catch, clean, and cook, and that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to be doing a catch, clean, and cook with some lane snapper. We're going to be baking it whole in the oven with some orange marmalade, some teriyaki sauce, and some other stuff. So it'll be kind of interesting, kind of make it up as I go. So that's what we're going to do tonight, guys. We're going to do a catch and cook lane snapper. So real quick, check out these clips of me catching a couple nice lane snappers I got the other day, and then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table and in the kitchen. Another fish. I'm gonna take a guess. It's red. No, it's a lane. All right, that is what we are after today. Porgies and lanes. So there's a second species we're looking for. Nice little lane. Nice one. I'm just curious. Oh yeah, he's definitely beautiful. Awesome. All right, we are hooked up to a better fish than a pigfish, I believe. Yes, it's going to be either a porgy or a sheep's head. That's what we're looking for. And it is a lane. We'll take that. Yes, we will. Nice, beautiful lane. Yes, sir. I will not complain about that one bit. Second target species acquired. Okay guys, here we are at the cleaning table. I got my two nice little lane snappers that we're going to eat tonight. And what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to go ahead and scale them. Use a spoon. It's really windy out here today, and I got the guys next door working. So I'm sorry if it's a little noisy. I apologize. We'll get them all scaled just like that. All right, well, I got them all nice and scaled. No more scales on them whatsoever. Real nice. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the head off and gut them. There we go, but like that. Go ahead and gut them. There we go. We'll clean out all these guts. All right, guys. Well, I got them both scaled, deheaded, and gutted. So now we are ready to go to the kitchen, guys. All right, guys. Well, I got my two nice little snappers here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a couple slits in these. Go all the way down to the bone. Do it on both sides. Alright guys, well we got our lane snapper in our pan here, a little baking dish. I've already sprayed it with some olive oil spray. So now we're going to need some teriyaki sauce, some orange marmalade, some lemon juice, or lime juice rather, and some garlic. Alright guys, I also decided to use some ground ginger. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our orange marmalade. We're going to put a couple nice little heaping spoonfuls in here, about half the jar. Right about half the jar. About like that. And then we're going to add, I don't measure stuff. I'm one of those cooks that I just do things by sight or by taste. So I'm just going to put some teriyaki sauce in here. All right. Not quite the same amount, about half of the amount I used of marmalade. And I'm going to put just a little bit of lime juice in here. About like that. And then we're going to put some garlic and some ginger. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of ginger in here. Let's say about that much. And then we're going to put some garlic. I'm going to put 2 of these little spoonfuls in. Garlic, just about like that. Alright, so I'm just going to mix this stuff around. There you go, looks all nice and mixed together. Man, I gotta tell you right now, that smells incredible. We're kind of making this up as we go, guys. I couldn't find any really good recipes online, exactly what I wanted for the orange marmalade, so I am kind of just making this up as I go, the things that I know that taste good to me. So we will see. Alright guys, I added just a little bit more teriyaki sauce and a little bit more lemon juice, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it real quick. Wow. Holy moly. Alright, that's pretty good. It's very tangy, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tart. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, well, we got our snappers and we got our baking liquid, our orange marmalade, garlic, teriyaki sauce, lime juice, and some ginger. I'm just going to get that all over that. Oh man. Tell you right now, guys, that looks bomb. Put it all inside there. Get all on the bottom here. Get those fillets laying in it. Or whole fish rather, not fillets. There you go. Alright. Get it all on there. Alright guys, well we're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to get my oven heated up, 375. And we're going to put this in the oven, cover it with some tin foil, and we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes. We'll check it, it should be done, but if it's not done after 25 minutes, we'll put it in for another 10. Alright guys, it's out of the oven. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, look at the steam on that thing. Oh yeah. Man, that smells fantastic. Man, that smells good. Golly, look at that stuff. Tell me that does not look delicious, guys. Yo, that looks awesome. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and start taking this apart here. Take the fins off. Take all the fins off. That way I can get these pieces of meat out. So I can do this without making too much of a mess. There we go. Man, that is so awesome looking. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at that. That just comes out. It's so nice. So I get this backbone off here. There we go. It'll come off just like that. Get the rib cage. Bam. Look how white that meat is. All right. How white that meat is, y'all. Alright, well I'm going to get some rice. And we're going to go sit down on the couch and try this out. Sweet. Man, that looks good. Alright guys, here we go. There's our dinner. Made some rice. This is our orange marmalade and teriyaki glazed baked lane snapper. So here we go. Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Try some rice. I kind of like that. First time I've ever made this. I just kind of made it up. I tried to look up with stuff to cook fish with orange marmalade. I came up with a lot of grilled stuff, a lot of broiled stuff with orange marmalade and glazed. That wasn't kind of what I was looking for. I was looking for something to bake a whole fish with, but I like it. Very good. Got a bone though. Sorry about that. A little bit of bone. Wow. That is really good. That is really good. And the lane snapper really takes to that really well. It's a very soft fish, which I like. Very mild. Very good, guys. I really like this. I'm going to try this again. I really like it. Maybe do a little tweaking, but I like it. Hope you guys try it. It's really good. Well, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this video and hanging out with me this evening, eating dinner with me. And I appreciate you guys very much for all the support you guys give me. I mean, we're almost to 20,000, y'all. I mean, maybe even by the time this video gets out, it might be at 20,000 because I got like 6 or 7 videos ahead of this video. And I'm only doing 2 a week, sometimes 3 a week. But thank you guys so much for all your support. And I appreciate each and every comment that I get from you guys. I appreciate every thumbs up I get from you guys. I just appreciate everything you guys do for me. You guys are awesome. And until I get to see you all again on the water here pretty soon, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. I'll be seeing you all soon. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.